I want to show y'all my garden real quick. It is 90 degrees today, but my plants are happy because it rained all night last night. These are my herbs on the outside. These are my tomatoes. Aren't they pretty? And this is my watermelon down here. This is my asparagus. It's not producing very much right now, but they're popping up every now and then. These are my peppers. I have bell peppers, banana peppers, and jalapenos. This is my cucumber. Well, a few cucumber plants. But they are growing outside of the garden box, and I am perfectly fine with that. Very pretty. And then I'm going to show y'all my onions.